I hope you down to ride, or down to ride, cause it's going down tonight, or down tonight. I see the pain in life.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the fan club. It's your boy D-Braz, Dan Brazen in the building. Happy National Power Rangers Day, guys. It is a vibe. Hope everyone's hanging out, watching their favorite Power Rangers, playing with their favorite Power Ranger toys, doing their thing. And today's magical because I was telling you guys, GameStop had a special $5 action figure sale on figures $20 to $50. And we just hit a lick on 2 boxes of Power Rangers. We want to open this up for you guys and show you what we got. Let's check it out. You can cut it. Cameron wants to unbox them, but I am going to open them for him so he doesn't get hurt. All right, Cam, go ahead and unbox them, and I'll tell the people what they are. Yep. Let's see what we got. Ooh, what's that first one? Ooh. That's the Zeo Ranger 5 pink. Incredible. So let's just put that to the side. Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
Next is the...
Woo! White Ranger Power. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's so lit. Okay. What else we get in there? Anything? Is that it for that? Okay, that's it for that box then.
It's a good start though.
Very good start.
Power Rangers Pink Mighty Morphin.
Oh yeah.
Limited edition.
Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger.
Signs.
Look at that. Oh, that's so awesome looking. These are all Bandai figures. As you guys know, Hasbro bought it out and now they own it. So all the Bandai figures are kind of on a little clearance, but crap, I take them in a heartbeat.
Power Rangers Zeo Limited edition.
Oh yeah.
Here's the spine. And here's the spine. Here's the back. And this one, the red one. The next one is a Power Rangers Mighty Morphin yellow. Here's the front, here's the spines, and here is the back.
Oh yeah, look at that. Looks beautiful, looks beautiful.
Here is the
So we got the Black Ranger.
Rangers,
Mastodon.
black. Here is the spine, and then here's the back. Last but not least, Fortnite.
Oh yeah, I think there's more in there, Cam.
There is, oh,
Are you blind?
oops,
Oh
I thought I was lying.
yeah, save the best for last. GameStop exclusive.
Wait, there's more in there.
Go get it.
It's alright.
Ooh, Zeo Ranger 1. Red. That's awesome.
Okay, here's this
Yeah, there's a Fortnite. We had to get that too.
in the back.
Whoa.
Here is the front, spines, back, front, spine, back.
They look awesome. Well, guys, we hope you guys have a very great National Power Rangers Day. We hope you guys like this unboxing video. Shout out GameStop for the $5 figure sale. It was incredible. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching the fan club. Peace.